This is one of our proudest achievements. The wholesale contracting out of maintenance led to poor job security for the workers. Now, more people working in main roads, I think even better outcomes for our roads across the state. And it's actually great value for money for taxpayers too. So it will deliver a great benefit to the entire community. And today, talking to many of the workers who have transitioned, it is great excitement and they're very, very happy to be back in the main roads uniform. They said they always wanted it to happen, and I'm so glad we could make it happen for them.
It's a really important day for main roads here in the metropolitan area. It's a continuation of our transition of maintenance back into main roads across the regions, and it's really about stability, making sure that there's a solid, stable workforce there, but it also enables us to upskill our staff. And these contractors now that have come across the main roads have joined the main roads family, if you like. I think it's also tremendous that there's opportunities developing skills and experience and being able to move across other parts of main roads.
Right now, I'm pretty happy and I'm excited to get started with working on the roads. There's definitely opportunity there to grow, opportunity to go elsewhere and go other places, or else stay here, which it's looking great at the minute.
Most of the guys I talk to actually really enjoy being a part of this team. A lot of them may not have worked in public service before, so for them this is quite an exciting time.
It's been a big circle to come back to where I started a long, long time ago. I was with Main Roads for 12 years. And then I come through all the contracting for nearly 24 years, and now I'm back with Main Roads today. Main Roads is just a bit more of a family orientated, where the contractor is more get the work done, no matter what.
The importance of what's happening is huge. Today's going to be a day that's going to be remembered in the future for a long, long time. Instead of people working at a price and at a budget, they're going to be working and feel safe in their jobs and actually working for quality and to feel part of a family.
I've got to say it's like coming back again, coming back home in a way.
A new change, new outlook on the future in life.
Full time with Main Roads is it's amazing. It's really good.